Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 3. The Uninvited Witch. The great hall was full of joy. The great hall was full of joy. The music was sounding loudly. The music was sounding loudly. The people talked with smiles. The people talked with smiles. The king sat looking pleased. The king sat looking pleased. The queen held the princess. The queen held the princess. The fairies were in their seats. The fairies were in their seats. The time of blessing still continued. The time of blessing still continued. No one felt any fear. No one felt any fear. At that moment, the wind stopped. At that moment, the wind stopped. The hall suddenly became silent. The hall suddenly became silent. The candle flames shook. The candle flames shook. Heavy footsteps were heard. Heavy footsteps were heard. A sound came from outside the gate. A sound came from outside the gate. The guards turned pale. The guards turned pale. The great door was opened. The great door was opened. A woman in black entered the hall. A woman in black entered the hall. That woman was a witch. That woman was a witch. The people held their breath. The people held their breath. The king stood up. The king stood up. The queen held the princess tight. The queen held the princess tight. The witch walked slowly. The witch walked slowly. The sound of her staff echoed on the floor. The sound of her staff echoed on the floor. The fairies looked at each other. The fairies looked at each other. Cold air filled the hall. Cold air filled the hall. The witch glared at the king. The witch glared at the king. King, you have forgotten me. King, you have forgotten me. The king lost his words. The king lost his words. There was no seat of invitation. There was no seat of invitation. The witch's voice was very low. The witch's voice was very low. The people shrank in fear. The people shrank in fear. The king bowed his head. The king bowed his head. Please give your forgiveness. Please give your forgiveness. But the witch did not smile. But the witch did not smile. The queen was also shaking. The queen was also shaking. The princess slept quietly. The princess slept quietly. The witch looked at the cradle. The witch looked at the cradle. Her eyes were cold. Her eyes were cold. The fairies stood up. The fairies stood up. Tension spread through the hall. Tension spread through the hall. The musicians stopped their music. The musicians stopped their music. No one could move. No one could move. The witch raised her staff high. The witch raised her staff high. Dark clouds began to gather. Dark clouds began to gather. The candle flames went out. The candle flames went out. The people cried in fear. The people cried in fear. The king tried to step forward. The king tried to step forward. But his feet stopped. But his feet stopped. The witch moved toward the princess. The witch moved toward the princess. Terrible words were drawing near. Terrible words were drawing near. The hall was covered in darkness. The hall was covered in darkness. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.